Okay, dito ka, boss mo.
Okay.
Kaliwa ka. Okay, good afternoon everyone. So nandito tayo again, kasama natin si Tito Mon. So sila ang nanalo ngayon ng Best of Show sa SUV category. And walang-wala naman yung pinakita nila, kundi yung LC80 lang naman na full restored. Tito Mon, ano ang mga ginawa nyo dito? Kwento mo lang kung paano siya na-build, preparation for 2025 Manila Auto Salon natin.
Okay. The build took around a year, no? Kasi it's a labor of love. Pacing ang importante and pasensya in sourcing the parts.
Correct.
Of course, kailangan din a little expense kasi some parts are not cheap.
Yes.
Kailangan mo pa bilhin sa labas. But if I was to describe the entry, it's just a simple build na detailed back to the original state ng sasakyan.
Parang ano no? Parang casa build lang.
Pinakita mo lang how it was when it came out before.
Correct.
Kaya kung sisilipin mo from the engine, it's very simple lang pero malinis.
Oo.
Yung
Engine
detalye,
bay, oh.
lahat, di ba? Pati down to the sticker.
Down to the sticker. Pati yung sticker, tingnan nyo naman.
Hinanapan talaga natin
Putik.
yung upper-brake, di ba?
Okay, so ano to
Brand new talaga yan for that car. Which took a long time to to
Pero
look
ito,
for.
no? Worth mentioning, kahit classic yung look niya, meron tayong technology pa rin, bagong technology pa rin
kasi si
na
Steady
ginamit.
naglabas ng bagong lights specifically for the LCA80.
Correct, oo nga.
So since isa naman ang weak points ng mga lumang kotse, in-upgrade na natin because we want to drive it naman regularly.
So originally from halogen, ibig sabihin, tama, ang original niya is mga halogen lang, di ba, na bulbs. Tapos this is, from Steady naman is LED na siya. Tama ba?
Para comfortable na imaneho, di ba?
So hindi siya forma, magagamit pa rin talaga. Okay, sige Tito Mon, ano next
Of
natin?
course, nakita mo naman yung kulay and then the execution, balanse yung pagkakulay,
Oo.
and then we go to the interior.
Itong interior.
Ganyan siya dati. That's how it was. So this is a local version, bench type, Basta local version, bench type. Walang
Bench
console
type yung,
box.
oo nga, no?
Walang console box. Okay?
Ayan, bench type, mas malapad yung bench type. Mas malapad yung pasahero.
Hindi siya bucket seat.
Oo. Okay. Tapos ito, tingnan din natin to.
Again,
Original.
Down to the sticker.
Down to the sticker.
Diba?
Grabe detalye nito.
Italian, Punta tayo sa likod.
Okay, punta tayo sa likod.
Yan. Ganyan kalinis din yung likod.
Again, Tito Mon, ano nga to? 96? Anong
It's
edad
a
to?
96.
It's a 96 LC, no?
There are a lot of parts na brand new kasi ang hirap lang i-source kasi kung ibabalik natin yung luma, hindi na makukuha yung pristine.
Oo.
Again,
Down to the sticker.
diba?
Grabe, down to the sticker, original pa rin. So this is what it looked like way back in 96 nung rumorolyo to palabas sa showroom.
Ganon.
Okay. Sige.
Ito lang
Tayo sa
binago
likod.
natin because there used to be tire carrier. Kaso yun ang weak point niya, maingay.
Okay.
So we decided to take it off and then put na lang yung ladder. This is original Toyota rin.
Ladder.
For other models para access sa roof rack.
Okay.
Kasi pag tinanggal mo may mga butas na
Okay.
pangit naman kung tatakpan natin kasi magka-crack din eventually.
Oh.
So nilagyan na lang natin ng ganito.
Oh.
But this is still original Toyota LC80.
So meron talagang nag-exist na ganito,
meron
ibig sabihin. Grabe. So walang wala yung parang swing out.
Tinang-out na. Kasi yun ang source ng ingay.
Okay. Yun yung by later on nagra-rattle na no?
Yeah.
Wow.
Ayan na yung likod. Again, since it's local, hindi siya ganyan yung ng upuan niya.
Grabe naman to. So paano yan, Tito Mon? Pag merong gustong humingi ng tulong sa inyo, magpa-build ng ganito, kaya ba ng offer ng ng 199?
Tulong, yes. Guidance, yes. Pero again, it's not an easy project. If you don't love the project, I'm telling you right now, wag mo na lang pilitin.
Oo. So,
But I'm not saying na hindi pwede. Kaya
Oo.
naman, but if you really want it to be like this, talagang dedicated ka to really restore it.
saka you must understand talaga, no? Naiintindihan mo yung...
matutunan mo rin eh. As you
Oo.
go along, pwede ka magtanong, ito muna, ano bang tama? Ganyan-ganyan, di ba? Then check out the manuals, check the internet, talk to a lot of enthusiasts. Ano bang maano mo?
Grabe. Pero
So,
everything,
at nilift lang natin to ng 4 inches kasi
So, okay. So, 4 inches lift siya.
yun ang medyo aftermarket natin.
Anong mags natin dito, Mon?
Yan yung period correct niya nung time na yan na lumabas
Okay.
na. No?
So, 4-inch lift.
4 inch lift, yes. Straight 4 inch talaga
straight
yung
4
spring.
inch.
Yeah.
Grabe.
We always need a little lift dahil sa road conditions natin, kuya.
Correct.
Aside from medyo masama yung daan,
Oo.
yung baha.
Oo.
One thing we have to consider also, di ba? So, ganun.
Ito, grabe. So, yan, again, best of show sport utility vehicle.
Yeah. As usual, ito lahat, hindi naman to mangyayari kung hindi rin sa, first of all, sa good friend ko kay Eric, he owns the unit. Yung dedication din niya sa to see to it na ma-restore siya properly. Tapos mga friends natin sa paligid na sumusuporta in terms of moral support.
Oo.
And then,
Ayan, ikutan lang natin
yan.
sila. Ayan yung mga...
Ikutan mo yung mga...
The rest of,
Yan yung mga loyal supporters natin.
Yan. Balik na ulit.
Isa pa raw, isa pa raw. Isa pa raw, isa pa raw.
Yay!
Yan. Sila ang nagtulong para maging possible yung project.
Okay. So ayan, again, thank you, Tito Mon.
Thank
so,
you
again,
for having me.
Thank you again,
I hope,
Tito Mon.
yung samahan natin sa off-road, lumago pa rin.
yan.
At dumami yung mga enthusiasts, di ba?
Thank you. So again, this is Tito Mon of 199 Off-Road House, winning this year's Best of Show Sport Utility Vehicle. This is Eman of Banana Adventures 2025 Manila Auto Salon. We're out.
Okay, salamat pare.
Ganda talaga.
Thank you.